Hey there, folks. I'm Joe Crawford of artlearn.com. Pretty much every day I go to CSS Battle Dev, look at the daily target, and record myself doing it. And that's what I'm about to do right now. Oh, wow. All right. Calling my shot, linear gradient and a conic gradient on the nested template, which is the HTML element and body element constrained. All right, so let's do this U business. We'll start with the pieces and parts. Conic gradient. Oh, I think that's new that the conic gradient autocompletes 25%. 0. Okay, so now let's set some margins. 10, 11, 12, 8, 9, 100, 110, 120, 115, 117. Okay, so that's part 1. We're going to do that 3 times. And I guess we need to put the, so put it in the upper corner, 0, 0. The width is 50 pixels or something. If I do this right, I won't need to change the at value. So yeah, so 60, 65, 55. And the height, 100 pixels. All right, so here's kind of a mess. All right, and then let's set the at 40 pixels, 10 pixels, 40 pixels, 60 pixels, let's say. Okay, getting it a little wider. 100 pixels, 105. Okay, so that we're kind of getting it there. And then, like I always say, set the no repeat to really get this right. Okay, so we got to be a little wider. 50, no, less wide. 30, 35, there it is. And then 50 down. And it's a little bit one. Okay, and then the height needs to be what? 90, 100, 80. Oh, I have 180 there. 80, there it is. That's what I wanted. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make that 90. And I believe once I let this repeat, we're going to get a nice match. And then we need a repeating linear gradient on top of that. Linear gradient, comma. Do I want to do repeating? Yeah, I'll do repeating keyword. You can do it with background positions, but this is another way to do it. Transparent, 0, 50 pixels, and then blue to cover 0, 60 pixels. All right, so we got those numbers wrong. Let's make it 60 and 70. Let's make it 70 and then 80. Oh, that's so close. I think it's 80 and then 100. Oh, no, wrong. Oh, is it not as regular as I thought? Oh, is it 90? That could be it. There we go. Submit. That's it. 4 minutes worth of code. That's great. I believe that'll be a 100% match. That's our goal. That's the only goal. We're not particularly tuned for the code golf, but it is absolutely fun to do the code golf. We went and did the unit replace always a plugin and submit, and we're done. Thank you for watching. Hope you're doing well out there. Continues to be a very hard world. Hang in there. Go make a webpage. Be good to yourself. Be good to each other. I'll see you around. Bye.